Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S with, that's making big power, with the 7-speed manual. This one has the Aero kit, the RS Spider wheels. Oh, it is phenomenal. My first time really extendedly driving the 992. I've driven the 992 before, but never for an extended amount of time. And definitely first time ever sitting in a manual one. There we go. E-brake, sunroof. We're in sport mode. Let's bump that to Sport Plus. Take this thing on the road. One thing that's amazing is how docile it is. Just at low, or cut off a 911, that's fine. How docile it is at slow speeds. You can 100% drive this as an everyday car. Obviously with snow and stuff, it's kind of iffy, but with the 4S, if you put even some good all-season tires on this, you're set. Visibility, that's a big thing for me with sports cars. This is bordering supercar, I would say. I can see perfectly fine out of it. I'm comfortable, I'm not worried, I'm not stressed out. In low speed maneuvering, obviously I've never driven a manual 911 before. Wow, that's weird to say, except for a 997 Turbo like 4 or 5 years ago. It was the last time I drove a manual 911. That's weird to say. Well, actually, no, I drove the 993 Turbo, but even so, we're talking a while ago. So it took me a little bit to get used to the clutch. Now I'm used to it. Super easy to use, super comfortable. It's not overbearing. I need to try a new GT3 manual, because that has gotta be one of the best cars out there. If this is this good, yeah, that car's gotta be good. This one does have active rev matching on downshifts. Some people hate it. I personally love it. Makes it a lot easier for somebody who's never driven the car to get in and have a good time and not worry about, oh, I'm not gonna get the downshift right, I'm not gonna get this right. It just makes it easier. Even in Sport Plus, the ride's not bad. Sport Plus, it's not going to have as many burbles as Sport. It's a give and take kind of thing. I'm not a fan of overly done burbles. These aren't bad. And even so, you still get a good amount of them on the overrun. You get up to that gap nice and quick. That moves, man. I know people are curious about 7th. Nice. Oh yeah, this is an Autobahn cruiser, 100%. Bring it down into sport so we can get some burbles. I'll be honest, guys, I didn't think I'd like this car as much as I do. Oh my goodness, is this car good. I was like, you can't improve upon the current PDKs. You just can't do it. This is sensational with the manual gearbox. I'm not saying PDK is bad by any means. It's my favorite automatic out there. But after driving the manual, this adds a whole new element to this experience. What's the saying? Throw a wrench in the cogs? That's what this did. Like, this changed my mind 100%. Of course, with the rise of electric cars, manual transmission is going away. It's so sad. Because you're not going to get stuff like that anymore. But even after driving the Taycan, if Porsche keeps up what they got in this, I'll be forever happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.